went to the new house and the floor was not ready because we ripped out all the carpeting and my mom put wood in because she has really bad allergies, so she didn't want carpet, even though it's a brand new house. Whatever. And so it's not ready, and we thought it would be. And so there's dirt everywhere, and they're not going to be finished till tomorrow. And even tomorrow, they're not going to be finished the first floor because there's not enough wood. So basically, we realized tonight we have nowhere to sleep. So now we're in a hotel. So the day is not going as planned at all. We had to cancel the movers, and they're coming tomorrow to help us unpack everything. So it's a wild ride. So then now we're in a hotel with a dog, which is like always annoying because you can't just take him out your door and go on a walk. You have to like pay extra money, and then you have to like go through. Yeah, it's a mess. And so yeah, tomorrow they'll be done with the second and third floor by noon, and then we have to order more flooring for the first floor, which is where my bedroom is, and this first floor stairs as well. So that won't be here until next week. I have to drive to, I also have to drive to LA to pick the flooring up on Tuesday because Monday's a holiday. So my room won't be done until probably Thursday night. Will probably be my first night sleeping in my own room. So where am I going to be sleeping? I don't know. I'll probably end up sleeping in my sister's room on the floor or on the couch as soon as we get the couches moved in, which should also be tomorrow. I don't know. I've been sleeping on a couch for the past 2 nights anyway because we moved my bed out because we sold it before we, 3 days before we were actually moving. So I slept on the couch for 2 nights. So I'm cool with it. Like, whatever. I'm already used to it. I mean, it would be nice to have my own bed and everything. But I have my own bathroom, and I'm really excited. Every single person in the house has their own bathroom, except for the foster kids, because they share a room. So they're sisters, so they will share a bathroom as well.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just take the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time.
So, it is the end of day 2, and we just had dinner. The movers went home, we got everything out of the moving truck, and I will be sleeping on this couch or on the floor somewhere on an air mattress until next Wednesday. So, everyone else has a bed, everyone else has a room, everything's great. Our kitchen, everything's a little bit chaotic, but like, we're here, we're fine, except for me, but like, as a whole, we're fine. And I took the dog on a walk today, and we found a bunch of little fields of like flowers. So here are some of the flowers. They were really pretty, and I'm excited to go on more nature walks because I don't usually do that. So, yeah. But it's so nice here, the temperature. Like, at our old house, it was only 30 minutes away, but it was like 10 degrees hotter. And now we're like right by the ocean, so it's like so nice. And there's like a breeze, and it's...
I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to get into us. All I need is...
So, today is day 3. We slept in a house last night. I slept in Kaylee's room. It was fine. Fell asleep. Air mattress. Kind of uncomfortable, but it's only a few more nights. Only 3 more nights. So I can power through. Currently, we have Hunter. It's okay. You see her out there? Yeah. He freaks out when any of us leave, mostly Mom. He sees you. It's okay. You're fine. We have our little balcony here. We haven't really decorated it. We got a few folding chairs there. He's so stressed. It's okay, buddy. She's sleeping and he's so sad. Oh, it's okay. She's coming back. He's afraid that we're gonna leave him because like it's a new house and he doesn't really understand the fact that like we're living here now. So let's see, today I went to Panda Express and I got food for everyone for lunch because we're still running a little low on like groceries. So yeah, I got food for everyone and I forgot my mask, so I had to like go to the drive-thru and be like, hey, like I ordered online, can you bring it outside to me? I forgot my mask. And they were super nice about it. So they did that. And then I took a long nap because I'm not feeling too great. Hopefully don't got the coronavirus. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I put together our like system, our like Wii Xbox TV system, so like got that to do, but I can't actually play because then I feel like I'm not helping and I should be helping, so it's just there tempting me.
I don't wanna be so emotional, just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. But you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care.
I am officially spending my first night in my room. Actually, it's kind of the guest room because I am only here for the summer because I'm in college. And then I graduate in December and I don't plan on moving back home, but anything could happen. So my temporary room where all my stuff is, finally sleeping here. It is Wednesday night. We moved in last Thursday / Friday, if y'all remember the little fiasco that happened where we ended up being in a hotel one night. But we're here. Everything is moved in. There's still some organizing to do, but it's been about a week and the flooring is finally done as of today in my room. So I am spending my first night in my room. It's messy, it's not perfect, but I'm here, I'm in my bed, and it's great. When I say it's messy, I'm very serious. I have a bunch of stuff on my desk because part of the desk is broken and so we have to get another piece for it, and so it can't hold a lot of stuff. So currently just stacking stuff there until I am sure of that we're keeping the desk. And yeah, I got all my books, bunch of random stuff. Mirror probably gonna get hung. I need to clean it. There is a chair under that blanket. That blanket is drying. It did not completely dry in the dryer, so now I'm just kind of hanging it. I don't have a trash can, so there's a trash bag on the floor. Don't have a blanket because it's over there drying. And I've put all my clothes away in the closet. So that's basically it.